Today, the CDC loosened guidelines for mask wearing, but in New Orleans, they are keeping the mask and vaccine mandates in place for Carnival.
And it appears that's happening for a really good reason. We have evidence that cases are starting to increase locally, but as Paul Murphy reports, not all businesses are enforcing the mandates.
Mardi Gras revelers are parading into New Orleans. Despite the pandemic, there was plenty of purple, green, and gold at Armstrong International Airport.
Chew right through the mask to get to the crawfish. There ain't no way.
Yeah, we all know that.
Yep, we're going to chew a boot in, the same thing. It's all going to go down.
There's a COVID vaccination station and testing site available for visitors as they arrive in the city. Rondell Jones got his shot.
It's good to keep everybody safe, but once again, it being mandated, it should just be something that you kind of, should be a choice, really.
As revelers flock to Bourbon Street, COVID rules are in effect. People attending most indoor events are required to wear masks. They must also show proof of vaccination or a recent negative COVID test to get into bars, restaurants, and nightclubs. Visitors gave mixed reports on how the mandates are being enforced.
We've been to breakfast twice, dinner, and everyone asks for it with your ID. And I'm fine with that. 100%.
Adele and Chris McCoy from the UK said it depends on where you go.
We've had probably 50% of the time that we've been asked, and we've shown our COVID pass and ID as well.
Frederick Bell from DC said he's yet to be asked for proof of vaccination.
Probably problematic for the businesses, no doubt about it. And there's some confusion too. I mean, we've seen messages from the CDC that it's lifting mask mandates, and people are probably a bit confused.
Friday, groups of people wore masks as they strolled through the French Quarter.
I've seen lots of evidence of people walking around on Canal Street and away from the crowds and stuff, and still wearing masks, even in open spaces.
The mask and vax mandates will remain in effect at least through Fat Tuesday. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.